오 토마토 좀 테스트래 더 트링 이게 내주 소소지 키워라 내주 소소의 거리를나 단다 저 유크레인기 프레지던트 볼로디미르 젤렌스키기 거리 퍼블리시션나 코랑기 디 거리래 인스타그램기 핸들나 거리 퍼블리시션나 개미기 매직 주셔와 같이는 결혼도 하고 된다 러시아기 유크레인디 전송지기 탑재시되어요. 아니 사제 망보지 전송 지저로 아니 디 마나다 망미유로 카시다 게미르슬렌 따탄다 유크레인기 프레지던트기 디 가르교실라나요. 결혼도 당연히 년도 쓰더라. 그런 세유래 디 커서 개미기 망미지 주셔 개미 망미라는 망미 말다 개미 리스트야 그런 주터 러시안기 망미기 테너 주셔요 유크레인기 프레지던트기 카티스라나 our military has captured 2 Chinese citizens who were fighting as part of the Russian army Russian army ki telayo ani khalorda Gemi Mingi Ju Sungula Skunsugia. And this happened on Ukraine Karoda Sajalaya. Undilla Chungsha Lesra in the next region Lesra. Identification documents, bank cards, and personal data were found in their possession. On Kunsugida bank card Suzugida, Merikani email the Chazam in there. Sangma Dine. We have information suggesting that there are many more Chinese citizens in the occupied units than just these two lists. The Dinile Ma Tandu, Mini Jura, Dile Ma Tandu, Yamigi Mambu's Dular, the Russian Mamigi Taylor, Mambuji the Kalorda, Russian Gitsapshu, the Kunzugi, Magi, the Ukraine. Such a change to you. The Gemigi Lawadula or the ditch to you. We are currently verifying all the facts. Tangazuki Kalorta details Samata verified Sigulajuata Ukraine Gishunero the Sukani Su Di Gabla Su Yura Chazanaya Intelligence, the Security Service of Ukraine, and the relevant units of the armed force are working on that. Sangmata Koran to the intelligence euro, Sangmata di Kublata, Jodi Lejo, that the Gami, the Mini Sungura, that the Gabla, di Gablata, Gami Lava Hariore, Sigura, Samakunzuki, that Chidio Lejo, only the. And I have instructed the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine to immediately contact Beijing and clarify how China intends to respond to this. And Kunzugi, the Kalorta, Foreign Affairs of Ukraine, Gazita, Koranzuta, Kalorta, Chigi, the Diurada. Minister of Foreign Minister of Foreign Minister Kunzugi, the Kalorta. Gemi Beijing contact Chichira, Beijing like Gemi capital city. No contact Chiche, Ani, Tilla, Gemi Gita, Chudo Haji Chigi Malaysia, when they call it Kunzu Gita, Pala, response Kunzuki, one response conducted to ya, when they gala, get a tissue leisure, Gemi Chudo Haji Chigo leisure, Mozu, Russia, and Mozuki, the war layer, Mozuki, Ma Parala. I've instructed the Minister of Chesa. Russia's involvement of China along with other countries. China is going to the Ukraine Lama Yang, whether directly or indirectly. Directly, Kashida Kadu Chida, Gana to Jusar, Gana Mizuma to Jusar, and Kashikita indirectly Tachigua, Kaptu Meba, Laksa provides Sokoya. In this war in Europe is a clear signal that Putin intends to do anything but end the war. The Digi Kari Chongor Lanaya Russia ki president yura Sikyong Russia ki ta Sinzi kundu ki yo ma di kai tsi gi mi du le jo ma ta kai ki tsi gor ge mi du le jo Ukraine chang ma kundu ko wang du ki tabji chi du le jo te kin su cancel da ro kada Ukraine ki president Kazan Zelensky ki phala ari la draw White House la draw Porang Kabul draw ro ani de January so President Trump the keja she ani shiwe gi de shiwe won da konsu da ma di jame gi de keja ro ni ro she ga ine da ko gi tanda ma ne kha thyo la na da konsu da Russia gi won da ma da ka chi go ro mi du le jo ka chi go ro mi du ani he is looking for ways to continue fighting this there kogi the Putin gi Russia gi sinzi gi khari di chidula na mi do kogi da ma mutune gya chira and there definitely recurs of response from the United States, Europe and all those around the world who want peace ta khazan di Trump gi kala so mazo peace ko la so shide go yo a kero zo ma kang yo kai gi da mazo gi da melam de reo yo dara la so da nima porang kapuna dus kalo Ukrainian gi president dus ke na jro yimbo ne ta di ne ro thong mi to le jo Ukraine gi president gi khar su la na di kalo keja bet ko ra di sadnam kyo do le jo ta Russia gi won bet ko ra ta chidang ji ro ma ta do mutu ne kya dang che an thang na si ta lungbo mong ji ta din na chu de da kemi ro ta Russia support de da kana yo kana kotang mi mowi dunzo gi di chi de da samdang da the capture peace ani to kunzu da shiwa gi kolla da samo ordang mi du le jo da ani ru la sta de Ukrainian gi ning che ko sha sarwa president sha sarwa the captured Chinese citizens are now in the custody of the security service the kemi gi ta thanda di yora da mi ji ju gyo yora ko de tanda Ukraine gi custody na yora sa Ukraine gi khara sa ta jail na yora la orda relevant investigation and optional actions are ongoing ta thanda mutune da keja thyo thilen da chigyora da ke kemi dinala ta khalor da chugo yumse khari me keja the da chigyora pain testing ya ta dinga di khoro uno ro khang mas thamo chora kemi le the pack for the dirda peba dor da leash le ro uno gore yiche che lai gore ma kana shung le kana ma bi shung le so de yiche or che ma ta danda pesana ya I choose speed ya kana le kemi kem da os ta changma dir the Chinese ki propaganda ro anu khora chusar da ningje khor da pesha district CCP ki pesha te ro khora da le da pesha che ram e ro le ine I choose speed ki ta sacha tyu khunju ki tyu thogi de tyu jur da that's it ya Muslim area kana na thanda khachu nyang de da khunju tyu ju de khunju ki sha su re ma ani khera so so pepa ya tangi ro I choose speed ki fan ro na ma timro chile ro khajana na I choose speed ni je innocent da ne kemi shung ki khoppa pe do bije chi da that's clear ya and they must ro thanda Thailand gi kharsa president gi keje ji share ya hondi khara ju nyen da ro khajang sam gi sa Thailand na sam gi ne chi ji ro cha ju da building gi cha ju bije chi da chi gyo ra changma kana ne nga do ani sam gi du ya building shigyo di da building shigyo ji ro su khane shi ji ro kyamin kana ne nga gyo du shi temin
Thai authorities are investigating why only one single high-rise building collapsed in the capital city of Bangkok. It was built by a Chinese company, sparking calls over what have become known as Chinese-made tofu buildings. Authorities found that the steel bars used to build the structure failed to meet safety standards and were manufactured by a Chinese factory.
Thailand's authorities also found that the steel bar manufacturer is a Chinese company whose local factory was shut down 5 months ago over safety and other violations. The steel bars used in the construction of the high-rise were purchased 5 years ago. And the building's lead contractor, another Chinese company, is also facing scrutiny from the Thai government over safety concerns. Now, local authorities have dispatched over 100 engineers to audit the construction of other high-rise buildings in the capital city.
Some internet users have started to use the term tofu building to refer to the collapsed high-rise in Bangkok. This term is used to describe poorly made buildings that are weak and unstable, similar to the soft and fragile texture of tofu. These buildings are prone to collapse, largely attributed to cutting corners during construction.
아니 다 점이 참으로 거의 3,000원씩